Hello everyone, welcome to the WARC Kyrgyz tutorials. We are continuing to talk about tenses in the Kyrgyz language. The type of the past tense that we will discuss today are unexpected past tense and the past habitual tense. The unexpected past tense expresses an action in the past that the speaker was not a witness of. For example, Asandın balası Amerika'dan geliptir. Asan's son came from America. In this sentence, the speaker is implying that they were not a direct witness of the event, but still know the result. To create the positive form of unexpected past tense, we add the ending ıptır to the main verb. Please note, this ending can change according to the law of harmony. After that, we add a personal ending. Let's look at another example. Siz жұмысқа geliptirsiniz. You came to work. In this sentence, the main verb is kel. İptir is a form of tense ending ıptır, and siz is a personal ending. Now that we have learned the structure of the positive form, let's see some other examples. Bermet бұл кітепті оқыптыр. Bermet has read this book. Силер шарға барыптырсыңар. You were in the city. Сен сабаққа қатышыптырсың. You participated in the lesson. To negate sentences in the unexpected past tense, we just add the negative ending after the main verb. If the main verb ends with a vowel or a voiced consonant, the negative ending is ba. If the main verb ends with an unvoiced consonant, the negative ending is pa. The vowels in those endings can change according to the law of harmony. Let's negate the sentences from previous examples. Bermet бұл кітепті оқымаптыр. Bermet has not read this book. Силер шарға барбаптырсыңар. You were not in the city. Сен сабаққа қатышпаптырсың. You didn't participate in the lesson. To create the question form, we just add the question ending b to the end of the sentence. This ending can change according to the law of harmony into forms like be, bu, bu, and etc. Let's create questions from the sentences above. Bermet бұл кітепті оқып бу? Has Bermet read this book? Силер шарға барыптырсыңар бу? Were you in the city? Сен сабаққа қатышыптырсың бу? Did you participate in the lesson? Now, let's talk about the past habitual tense. The past habitual tense is used to express an action that lasted for a certain period of time in the past, or to express an action repeated in the past a long time ago. To create the positive form of past habitual tense, we add the ending chu or chu to the main verb. The ending chu applies when the main verb contains a hard vowel a, I, o, u, and chu is used when the main verb contains a soft vowel e, ye, i, u. After that, we add a personal ending. Let's look at an example. Мен мурда көп китеп окучумун. I used to read a lot of books before. In this sentence, the main verb is oku. Chu is past habitual tense ending, and mun is a personal ending. Now that we learned the structure of the positive form, let's see some other examples. Biz кейде гөлгө барчубуз. Sometimes we used to go to the lake. Azamat жайында курска катышчу. Azamat used to attend courses in the summer. Зуура мектепте жакшы окучу. Zura used to study well at school. To negate sentences in the past habitual tense, we use the word emes, which means not, after the main verb, and then add a personal ending. Let's negate the sentences above. Biz кейде гөлгө барчу эмеспиз. We didn't used to go to the lake. Azamat жайында курска катышчу эмес. Azamat didn't used to attend courses in the summer. Zura мектепте жакшы окуучу эмес. Zura didn't used to study well at school. To create the question form, we just add the question ending b to the end of the sentence. Once again, The vowel in this ending can change according to the law of harmony into forms like bi, bu, bu, and etc. Let's create questions from the sentence above. Biz K'de gölge barçubuz bu? Did we used to go to the lake sometimes? Azamat jayında kursqa katışçı bu? Did Azamat used to attend courses in the summer? Zura mektepte жақсы оқушы bu? Did Zura used to study well at school? Today we talk about the unexpected and the habitual past tense. In the next video we will continue exploring other interesting topics in the Kyrgyz language. So please subscribe to our channel, like and share with friends. Görüşкөнчө.